Hi, I'm Lydia.
And I'm Isaac.
We're from the 4-H Tech Changemakers.
And today we're showing you how to clean your electronics.
So your devices obviously pick up a lot of debris and junk, and it's a good idea to keep them clean, especially during the flu season or now coronavirus. Obviously the best way to do that is by keeping your hands clean by washing them a lot. But apart from that, you can use a microfiber cloth, alcohol, and cotton. Do not use Clorox or Lysol or other household cleaning products, as they can damage your devices and make them more prone to get the gritty, sticky feeling. And also, don't spray the products directly onto your device. Spray them onto a cloth and then apply to your
Showing
device.
you how to clean your laptop. First you take the cover off just like the iPad, and you wipe it down with your cloth again. Wipe the top, the bottom, and the keyboard. Wipe the screen like your iPad, and then you take compressed air and blow against the keyboard, but do not blow in the ports. And you take your Q-tips and get into tight spaces around your keyboard and your other places around your computer.
In conclusion, regularly cleaning your electronics is a good idea to help them last longer. From the Tech Changemakers,
I'm Isaac Visser.
and I'm Lydia.